sanitary towels for granted, because the issues of sanitary towels are very fundamental into a poor rural and township child. There are children that do not go to school, that do not attend schools because they do not afford sanitary towels. Like condoms are free, sanitary must also be free. To engage in any sexual intercourse, it becomes a choice that you decide consciously and you choose. You ought to protect yourself and buy your condoms. But for you to go on your period is not by choosing, it's not by choice, but it's all choosing. So long as you live, you ought to continue. Therefore, sanitary towels, they ought to be free. Every girl child, especially poor and black, that is a rural child and that is a township child, ought to get free sanitary towels. And when this SRC of MK, they win elections in September, they ought to provide that right. It must be the first campus on when students who come here, they must be given free sanitary towels. There are many issues that we ought to speak about, but we are saying, we have briefed as leadership that when you go outside the small gate, students of this campus are being robbed. Our demand says there ought to be a security who are going to ensure that students are protected outside when they go to the campus. We are told that on this campus there is a lecturer called Madala who is failing students perpetually. 80% of students are failing his course, but nothing happens to Madala. When the SRC of MK takes power, they must chase out that lecturer. He must We are demanding this now. We are saying the leadership of the branch ought to make sure that on this campus, library operates for 24 hours. When a student wakes up at 12, wants to come to library until 4 o'clock in the morning, the library must be opened. Also, the books on library, they must be updated. We don't want a library that looks like a museum. All the books, you cannot do you ought to rely on internet for research. You can't use books because these books are outdated. We are demanding books which are not museum books, but who are updated, that you can go to library and use. Correct. We are saying Wi-Fi must operate everywhere. Not a Wi-Fi when I'm outside. This is an institution of higher learning which operates in the 4th industrial revolution. You ought to be technologically advanced. West is a university of technology. You ought to have Wi-Fi. When you are around the gate, when you enter, the Wi-Fi must be full. Not a Wi-Fi that operates as if it has mood swings. When you are there, it's off. When you are there, it's high. This is the leadership we are bringing you here. But comrades, I want you to clap hands for young people who made this program possible, who were told, Dr. Kandile must not come. Comrades, I can tell you now, there is nowhere in this country where I would have a no-go area. Nowhere. None whatsoever. You have been called by scammers. You have been called by hypocrites who are saying you must stop problems. Don't invite this one, invite that one. I can tell you today, all those who make those calls, I know them and I've forgiven them. Because they suffer from intellectual dwarfism. They cannot comprehend, they cannot produce and reproduce ideas. At least they are told by someone who's certified, I'm degree proof. You cannot stop the problem of young people. Young people, they must meet. Every day they must discuss issues that are affecting them as young people. We must not only meet in shibins, we must be like the Jewish children who meet like this and discuss the economy and how they could make themselves succeed. Why? People must not speak. You are fighting to speak. I'm even hurt because we arrived, the program took much more. I wanted you to engage one by one, stop hiding. Because here, all of you have views. This politics is not a complex animal. It's a very open animal. All of us, we need to learn and unlearn from one another. Amanda! 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 Amanda!